So it's time to cut this out. Hey guys, welcome back to the Lazy Tech Guys, and today we're going to be cutting out some extra weight out of the phone farm. But before we do, we would like to thank all our new subscribers that have joined us over the past week, and of course all our current subscribers that have been watching. We greatly appreciate it, guys. You guys are awesome. And if you're not a subscriber and you want to learn more about phone farming, hit that subscribe button down below. We have set ourselves a goal for the month of April to hit 100 subscribers. So if you can help us out with that, please go down there and do that. And don't forget to smash that like button while you're there. So, from there, guys, let's jump right into this video. So yeah, guys, it's time to cut out some of the extra weight on this phone farm. Now, I know you didn't think we were actually going to cut our good cords. Did you? Really? What we've done is we're starting to cut out these zip ties, as you can see here. The scissors, of course, they were dull. Didn't really work that well. Well, we're going to get these pulled out. And we got a reason for this. And that is so we can hang these phones, well, like this. Really easy. So what I did is I switched over to these little dull nippers to start cutting all this out. Yeah, these things are dull. And I mean really dull. Because I couldn't find my good set of dikes. Well, I found them after I got the project done, after I got this pulled out. So what we got here, guys, is these clips. These are these 3M clips. They're no sponsor, by the way. That was suggested by a subscriber a while back, and thank you, Joseph, for that suggestion. We had these small ones in a drawer. They were already here, so they work pretty well on most things. Not sure how well they're going to work on this, but we thought, heck, we'd give them a shot. So if you know about these, well, most things, you know, they work on if you put them on the right way. Yeah, you know. And so yeah, they're cool. They come with these little backing sides, you know, these little things that you pull when you want to take them off, so they're not supposed to damage walls or anything. Not really our purpose here, but you know, hey, that's what we got them for. And this little black side goes down first. So if you put these on, so what we're going to do is just try to put them on and see if they hold out good. First thing you got to do is put it on the right way. We're going to hang this phone, you know, not vertical. Well, it's going to be vertical, but, you know, the phone would be we need two clips if we were going to hang them this way. And, yeah, I didn't quite think about that very well, you know. And then, you know, the other thing is, don't do like I did here. Oh, wait, you know, went to go do that and realized, you know, that ain't going to work. So, whoops. But don't try to reuse that. That doesn't work very well if you try to reuse those stickers. They just ain't gonna keep well. They don't. They just fall off. The clips, trust me. We tried to reuse one on that number 2, and it just fell off. So once you do that, once you get it placed there, just get rid of it. It's done. They do sell the little strips by themselves. So don't try to reuse them, I guess is the main point there. And then once you put those on there right, you got to try, you put the black side down, and then you got to try to get this little blue side off. And that's a pain. But what we figured out was you take a good, nice, sharp pocket knife, and you can just peel that right off. You can see that there. Now, make sure it's a good, sharp pocket knife so you don't tear anything. But yeah, don't cut your fingers, because then you got issues, you know, blood and all that fun stuff to clean up. But then you can just place that on there, and you got to make sure you hold this down for like 30 seconds. If you don't hold it down for 30 seconds, that is the instruction on the package. If you do it for less, they fall off. Trust me, they fall off. So yeah, use your knife, hold that thing down there really good for 30 seconds, and after that, they hold like a champ. Had really good luck with them. You can see here, was in the process of getting them all laid out. Was getting them put on the phones. And this is kind of a long process to do it. I didn't think it would take as long as it did, but it did take a while. Show you our yucky floor. But as you come over, we got all the phones except for this one here that was having an issue. And then these 5 here. As you can see, we got most of that stuff down. Got those 5. We just didn't have enough clips. We only had 20 clips. So I've got to go to the store and get more. And then we got one down here at this end. This is our phone farm testing area. We put it over here just to test stuff and just to see how it's doing. But yeah, once you get them on here, guys, look, I mean, it's up. They hang really nice, really easy. The only thing, positioning-wise, you got to make sure you kind of get them positioned. I don't know that I like these particular hooks and I'm going to try to find a different size when I go get the new ones for the other hooks and see if I like those better. And we may switch them out, but as they fall off, 'cause I'm sure they will. But they line up good and all that, so not a huge problem, but it seems like a really tight fit. And I think they have ones with a little bit more hook or a little bit more length to them that might work a little bit better. So anyway, guys, here is the phone farm completely done. And look, we got all that room to the right where they're going to add this phone. We're going to add more phones. We know that this isn't the biggest phone farm in the world. You see how easy that is. But this isn't the biggest phone farm in the world. But we are going to be kicking it out and really trying to expand this phone farm and work on this pretty heavy. We've got our bases down that we like, how we got the setup going. So now that we've got our base set up, we're really going to start working on getting more phones, getting these apps going, and getting you guys more reviews. We didn't get everything that we thought because we had to redo some phones, so we didn't have enough sticky tabs. So I've got to go get more of those. But yeah, guys, worked out really great. So again, great. So again, thank you, Joseph. And that's it, guys. So from there, remember, the day's what you make it. So let's make it a good one.